you want to do a 2D animation inside of a 3D environment. So let's set that up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do X, click this, X delete, Shift A, mesh plane. Okay. Tab. Let's do it here. So EGZ, EGX, EGZ, EGX. Let's go like this. EG Shift Y. So essentially what I'm making is a level. Then EGZ, EGX, EGZ, something like that. We're going to go here, add modifier. Let's do solidify, make it a bit thicker. Okay, now let's click on our camera, 0, RZ, Alt R, RX 90. Now let's do G, GZZ, G, GY. Just zoom in. Let's do a grease pencil. So Shift A, and we're just going to do the monkey as kind of our basis. So here's the monkey. Oh, sorry, wrong one. X delete, Shift A, grease pencil monkey. Here we go. G, 0, GCC. So there it is, right? I'm going to do R, G, go here, G, down here, G, here, G, G, and then the ball is just going to go upwards, G, and let's do it like this, G, let's do G, and then it just goes down. Okay, let's go here. So there's the ball. All right, I think that's pretty good. Okay, sweet. So we have that all nice and set up. We have our grease pencil right here. Now there's a few different styles that we can do. The first one is we just leave it like right at that location, or we actually animate this of like where we want this to go to kind of have like a rough idea. Now, just for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to leave it like that. So next up is to, oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's set this guy up for the animation. So we're going to go into the plus button. We want 2D animation, 2D animation. Okay, here it is. So if I draw here, go to the next frame, draw. We can see we already have the onion skinning done. So we're going to go here, A, X delete, go here, and I'm going to go here, and I want pen. And let's go into here, fill, display, pen, draw. Looks pretty good. All right, so we are ready for, oops. I'll go like right there. There we go. All right, so we are ready for the animation.